Capricorn 2022 Love Horoscope. Your key dates for romance. How you choose to tell your love story may shape your romantic life this year. With that power comes great responsibility, but you of all signs are up for the challenge. As 2022 begins with Venus already retrograde in your sign and continuing until January 29th, remember to be compassionate toward yourself and focus on your inner beauty. This can help you attract others who respect you. An idealistic conjunction between Jupiter and Neptune in Pisces takes place on April 12th in your third house of communication. You may be seduced by someone who says all the right things, but make sure they can walk their talk before you commit to them. You must also be careful of what you do and don't say. While you might be great at effusively communicating everything you love about your mate, avoiding difficult conversations or leading them on to expect things you can't deliver could cause problems. Jupiter enters Aries, your fourth house of domestic life, from May 10th to October 28th and again on December 20th. This could mean you feel stable enough to take more risks in love than you have lately, but this could also signal a time when you have so much activity going on at home that you are too overwhelmed for romance. While much of your development in 2022 may be out of public view, the eclipses on April 30th, May 16th, October 25th, and November 8th touch your 11th house of community. During these eclipses, your friends and acquaintances could be surprised to learn what you have been up to. If you are looking for love, this could also be a time when you see something new in one of them that makes you think there might be romantic potential. These eclipses also highlight your fifth house of romance and challenge Saturn, your ruling planet, which continues its transit of your second house of money. You may feel like you can't afford to make room for love, or a child, another fifth house matter, in your life. Circumstances, however, could push you to go with the flow and figure out the details later.